I want to tell you an example of the kind of approach that we're taking. And this is the story of Steve from Georgia. This is a piece that was in the news, so he's been very open about his own health care. And he is a guy who was pre-diabetic for a while and then started having some nausea and vomiting, went to the ER. His glucose was over 400, blood glucose, diagnosed with diabetes, not able to manage it for about a year, and then was enrolled in this virtual clinic, which is a program called Onduo. Onduo is a joint venture between Sanofi and Verily. Verily is really providing all of the technology for this company, and there's multiple components to this virtual clinic. First is a continuous glucose monitor. So Steve has this CGM. It's about the size of a quarter. It sticks on his arm or on his abdomen, puts a little wire under the skin, and basically estimates his blood glucose 24/7. This is the smallest blood glucose monitor on the market and with the world's smallest Bluetooth chip. And so that wirelessly transmits his glucose to the app on his phone. The way it works, just to make it kind of simple, is that there's a blue band there and then the tracing, and the blue band is what the clinicians have defined as his range, where his optimal range is for his sugars. In our Onduo program, you take pictures of your meals, pictures of your snacks, and we use the Google Vision AI, just the way it sorts your photos and sorts cats and dogs or whatever. It recognizes your food. And in fact, for a lot of patients, I think that's like the funnest thing for them. They go into these restaurants and they, the Ethiopian restaurant, and they take a picture of their meal and they send it to all their friends and say, oh, look, it recognized my crazy food. Whatever it takes, whatever it takes to be engaging. And of course, what it does over time is it recognizes more than 1 million different foods out there, and it recognizes the patterns between what you ate and what it did to your sugars. There's a platform for the coach in order to kind of guide and really interact and engage with Steve. So I thought it was kind of bold for a tech company that has never done this before to do that, but I think it's really about, if we're really all about value, let's just put our money where our mouth is.